Hey guys, today I'm going to make some spaghetti in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I'm going to keep this pretty simple like usual. I have a pound of grass-fed ground beef. This is 90% lean, 10% fat, so I shouldn't have to drain that. That costs $8.95. I have half a red onion that I'm going to cut up with that. So I'm just going to cook those in the pot first. I also have a jar of pasta sauce and the spaghetti noodles. I'll add those after the meat is cooked. So let me get this onion cut up and we'll get that started. Now I'm going to kind of break the ground beef up here, and I'm going to season it with some kosher salt. And I'm going to use Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. But if you don't have that, you could use regular pepper, or you could use just if you have some type of an Italian seasoning that you have, you could use that. So you could add the sauce now, but what I've found is the ground beef tends to kind of clump up into big clumps. So you have to kind of, open the pot and break it up until it kind of gets kind of crumbled up. And it's kind of easier to do that without the sauce in there. So like I said, I'm just gonna, once this is all browned up and it looks good, then I'll add the sauce and the noodles at the end. So, all right, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high. It's been a little over an hour, so I'm gonna check on this. I'm gonna break up this ground beef a little bit. See how it kind of clumps up? So you have to kind of break it up. So I'm just going to do that. My onions still are not very soft yet, so it needs to go a little bit longer. So I'm just going to let it go until my onions kind of soften up, and then we'll add the sauce and the noodles. It's been 3 hours, so let's check on this. Smells really good. The meat looks good. The onions are soft now. So I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce. This is Classico sauce. It's a 24-ounce jar. I like this sauce a lot, but you could use any kind of sauce that you like. Actually, you could probably use 2 jars of sauce if you wanted to make a bigger batch, but it's just me, so I don't really need that much. I'm just going to put some water in the jar. I probably put about a half a cup of water in there, and help me get the rest of the sauce out of there. But also I'll probably need just a little bit of water for that pasta, because the pasta is going to soak up some water. It's going to need some moisture to cook. And okay, this is a 12-ounce package of half-cut spaghetti, so I'm thinking probably about half of the box, I guess. Alright, I guess that's about half the box there. Now I'll just kind of mix it up. I'll get the lid back on there and just let that cook until the noodles are soft. The noodles are soft. That took about a half hour or so, so I shut the pot off. Now let's grab some and try it out. This looks good. Let's see how it tastes. Everything looks cooked good. Alright, here we go. Turned out real good. Annie's dancing around down here. Let's see if she'll eat spaghetti. There you go. I guess she likes spaghetti. She's scarfing that down. So that took about 3 hours for the ground beef and onions to cook, and then it took about half an hour for the noodles to get soft once I added them. So about 3.5 to 4 hours probably, and that was on high. If you do it on low, probably, I don't know, probably about 6 hours or so, I guess. I don't know, I haven't tried it on low, so I'm not sure, but anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.